Well, hello, good people. I'm back with an update from Suno AI. A couple days ago, they announced some updates to the website. And here's the list of some of the updates. Stereo sound, obviously. Better composition and musical quality. Now an 80-second max clip length. 60-second continuation clips that allows you to increase the duration of your song, which we'll go over today. Improve continuation and consistency. More language support. This I found interesting. Their bitrate is only 128. I thought it was at least 192, which is somewhat acceptable, but it kind of makes sense hearing the quality, which is it's pretty decent for where it is now. Faster generations, which I've seen. Now, if you look on the screen here, this is a full song that I made. It's got a couple verses, some choruses in there, and some repeating choruses. I know these all repeat here, but some of these sound more like bridges. But I was able to get a full 2 minutes and 31. This one's in a style of a hip hop. I'll just play you a little bit of it.
Another day, another dollar. Same old grind, feels like I'm stuck in a collar. Yeah, pushing papers, typing away. But in my mind, I'm a million miles away. I'm just counting down the hours, watching the clock. I'm dreaming big, I'm reaching high, reaching high.
One thing you'll notice, it got right into the lyrics, which I wish you could put in more of an introduction. It's kind of hit and miss at this point. The other issue I have is ending the song, where I had to generate multiple times to get somewhat of an ending. So let me play the ending for you.
The stars in the sky. I'm dreaming big, I'm reaching high. Gonna break these chains, gonna touch the sky. Almost have a fun life, it's great. Gonna chase my dreams, gonna find my own way. So watch me ride, from the 9 to 5 to the stars in the sky.
So in this case, it worked out pretty well. However, I had to repeat this last outro part quite a few times. For you to make a full song, I'm going to walk you through the process. So let's start from the beginning. If we go to create, custom, part of the update is that you can enter your own lyrics here, or you can just put in the style. Let's say we're going to do hip hop, and then we just have to enter a brief description of the topic. And here I'm going to enter working 9 to 5, can be a drag, find something you love to do. I don't know. All you have to do is generate lyrics. And it's typically going to create a verse and a chorus for you. Then you'll hit generate. Now I'm not going to do that because I have limited credits and I need them. So when it generates, you'll get a couple of examples here that you can try. When the song generates, what I'll do is I'll mark it with a heart. On the 3 dots here, you want to select that. You'll see this option continue from clip. And then you'll notice here at the bottom left that it says continue from. Leave your style of music. You can either enter new lyrics or generate lyrics the same way we just did. And you would have to repeat that a few times until you're happy. And I encourage you to put outro, even though I spelt it wrong here. That should have been a bracket. But for the ending of the song, you want to go with maybe your last chorus or a bridge and then outro. And then you'll have to generate a few until you get a decent outro. When you're happy with all the clips that you have, you click on the 3 dots once again. You'll see this option, Get Whole Song. Once you select that, it's going to generate the whole song for you, just like in this example. So I've got my verse, my chorus, another verse, and a whole bunch of other lyrics. And then you'll be able to download both the video with the lyrics in a graphic, which is in MP4 format. You'll be able to download the MP3 audio file as well. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Anyway, friends, as always, let me know what you think in the comments below. And like I said, check out those songs that I created. Until the next one, I'll see you when I see you.